In this video, I will guide you how to fix Acer Nitro 5 not turning on. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds while the charger is plugged in. If the keyboard lights up, wait and see if the laptop turns on. If nothing happens, move on the next step. Again, hold the power button for 30 seconds while the charger is plugged in. While still pressing the power button, remove the charger and continue holding for another 30 seconds. Plug the charger back into the laptop and try turning it on again. The next step is checking power connections. Ensure the charger is properly connected between the power outlet and the laptop. Try a different power outlet in case the current one is faulty. If possible, test with another compatible charger to rule out issue with your adapter. Disconnect all external devices like USB drives, peripherals, etc. except the charger. Try turning on the laptop again. That's it. Hopefully, one of these methods help you fix your Acer Nitro 5 not turning on. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.